Today I'm diving into Framer. It's a new website builder that I've seen and I've mapped out its main sections. I've seen ways to make a layout and I've started experimenting with the apps, starting to see different stuff. So let me show you what I've done today. And yeah, this is day 16 of creating my space mission simulator, and I've started to study like websites now because I'm gonna make a website as well for my project, and I have like to study for a school project how to make a website, and I'm just gonna do like take advantage of the opportunity, just study this and like make my studying useful for both school and this project. So yep, I've done, as you see, a diagram over here, and so I've seen like the main sections. So we got here the shortcuts, we got the interface effects like media, publishing, the canvas, components, like a lot of stuff. And then I dove a bit deeper into the layouts here. Then I also did like how to create buttons in the most optimal way, I guess. Here's some things on text which I'll show in a moment. And yep, here are like three ways of making layouts. We got frames, grids, and stacks. And I'm really new into this yet, but that's what I've been doing, and this might not be totally correct, but that's the thing that I will be learning more about. So yeah, we got frames here. Let me go into the, like, this is a diagram because to make sure I have everything mapped out and organized in my head and in a diagram. But the important stuff is actually making the website and actually like going practical, and testing out things and making mistakes on the app. So I've been doing, like, I've just playing with this, I've been doing stuff like this and creating a button, like making this adapt, making the size of this adapt because previously it didn't adapt. So yeah, and I've been also following a tutorial, a couple tutorials, and been learning from that. So yeah, let me see what I can show some things that I've learned. So for example, we have here, if I press space, I can move around. That's the shortcut. It's really nice. I can also do the same thing with the I don't know how you say that, bro. Wait, my mouse just died. Wait. Oh my goodness. My mouse just died. We're back. Nice. So yeah, with the middle button of the mouse, I don't know how you say that, but the middle one. Oh shoot, this one. I don't know if you can see it. I think you can. Next, I also, bro, my mouse is dying. Okay, next, I saw that if I press T, which means like I activate this thing, right? Then I can create a text box. If I just click on it, I have created a text. Like I can just write, and we got this. And basically, the text box, the thing that surrounds the text, basically, this just goes automatically adjusts to the text. I think it's fit. Yeah, it automatically puts these properties to fit. But then if I do the same and I draw like something like this, it doesn't adjust. So that's a little thing that I've learned. Then we also have this thing, which is that, imagine we create something like a stack. How did you create a stack? layout. Now you create a frame. Okay, so imagine I create like a frame like this. If I create, for example, a text outside, you see that, oh wait, you see that this text on the layers tab is on the level, on the hierarchy level of the desktop. Then if you move it here, you see it moves, and it I don't know how to explain this, bro, but it's under the desktop on the hierarchy. This means that it's like inside of the desktop thing. I don't know. Then if I also put it here, it instantly moves inside as well. So this is a really cool feature. And look at this. This is really nice, really interesting. What else have I learned? Right. Oh, then we have these buttons, which like just align the thing, the content perfectly. So that's really nice. I don't know what else to say. Let me check the diagram. So, oh shit. Right. Forgot about this. So imagine we have. So let's talk about pinning actually. Pinning, yeah. So you see this line in the middle. This is indicating that this button is pinned to the top of the screen of the desktop. Let's say desktop element. If I right now create a frame like this, I put this inside. Oh, this, I can pin this to the top, and I do this like this, I think. So now I don't think you can see it. Let me just change the color of this to, yeah, now you can see it. Now it's pinned to this, to the stack. I'm gonna pin it to the bottom now. So now it's pinned to the bottom, that's perfect. And I'm gonna pin this, now this is pinned to the top. The thing is, if I do this, this will move down, because, and this as well, because this is pinned to the center. Interesting. But this is pinned to the bottom and this is pinned to the top. So if I resize, like if I resize this, because it's pinned to the bottom, this will move, the bottom will move, but the title won't, because it's pinned to the top. Now if I resize this, this will move, but this won't, because the bottom is not changing. So that's another interesting thing. Then if I can change this, if I go to layout, I can make this into a stack. This is a stack now, and it's like Flexbox on CSS. So we have a lot of properties here. This is a stack. We can change the direction, the space within, the distribution, where is it aligned to, if you want to wrap, the padding, and that's basically it. And then we got the grid as well, which I haven't learned much about, so I can't say much about it. But yep, what I can say is that the stacks are, well, let me check this. So yeah, the stacks are like free flowing. The stacks, you can put the elements whatever you want. Let's say, let's make this into a here. No, not the stack, sorry. The frame, you can put whatever you want, wherever you want it. Like you can just make it free flowing. You can just put a text here, and you can put it anywhere on the page like this. You know, it's very nice. It's absolute. The position is absolute. You can just move it around and it will stay there. You can pin it, but here you can't pin it, because this is a stack, and it's like you can change the order. Like you can move this, and you can't just put this here, like it will just go into a fixed position, right? So yeah, and you cannot pin here, there's no pinning, here there is pinning. That's what I have to say. I don't think I have much more to say over here, but yeah, this is what I've been doing today, starting, oh sorry, studying a little bit about framer, and yes, day 16, wish you a good one, bye bye.